Hello friends, new and old. We got some news for you, but first I want Nanette to introduce us to the people that are new viewers.
Yes, I am Lynette, and this is Johan, and we bought a cabin on a ship. We are guaranteed at least 15 years on the ship. We're going to circumnavigate the world every 3.5 years to 147 countries, 7 continents, what else? Oh, 425 ports and 100 islands. So every 3.5 years we'll be doing that. Right now we are in the Canary Islands, and we got delayed.
We got delayed. Yeah, we've had a couple of delays here with this cruise, but they've all been nice to us to put us up in different hotels and different places. And now we are still in Tenerife, but we just moved location. We actually checked into the hotel 5 minutes ago.
Yep.
So we're really excited about the view we have.
Yep, this is from our room.
And we're in Los Cristianos. We got the harbor and the beach walk down here with lots of restaurants. You can see that in the Los Cristianos video.
The city center.
Yeah, so we're really excited actually to be here. It's a delay, but okay, we're gonna stay at least 9 days here. And
Villa Vie Residences is taking good care of us and has paid for this delay in this hotel.
Yeah, so we think the ship will take off the 25th of June. They have some machining on some rudder something.
And
I don't understand the full thing. So this delays more in shipping and machining. So that is the update. So we're just carrying on, exploring the island. I'm gonna post some more videos of activities, visiting the volcano, which is actually 3,700 meters, 12,000 feet tall, higher than Haleakala. I didn't expect that.
And Loro Parque.
We went to Loro Parque, which was one of the nicest and best zoos in the world. And they have all kinds of marine life, birds and regular zoo animals. So we'll show you that in some little short videos.
So we have another 9 nights here, so we are not suffering at all.
No, that's the update. So, and Bart, I hope we don't look like we're hostages trying to get ransom money from our country. Like we were a little deflated in the last video from Dublin it was. So that was a funny comment. That made my day. All right, this is the update and we'll keep you posted. Ciao.